What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching my video here today. I want to go over 3 money-making apps that you can start using today. Now, before we do that, I want to ask that you go ahead and smash that like button down below and you subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to work online. Let's get started. So the first app I want to tell you about is S'more, and it's like a screensaver app. It's a screensaver and you just unlock your phone with it. It's fairly easy. You earn 10 points a day just for having the screen lock. You don't really have to do anything else. Other ways you can earn is by watching videos, taking surveys, and referring friends. I like S'more because 100 points equals $1. If you know anything about putting apps on your phone or anything, it's usually 1,000 points to equal $1. So S'more is really good about paying you to use their product. Ways that you can get paid through Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, GameStop gift cards, a lot of different types of gift cards that they have. And like I said, 100 points equals $1. So I like using it. I'm almost up to 100 points and I haven't even had the app on for 12 hours. Also, you get 100 points per friend that you refer. Now, if you go ahead and sign up under my referral code, and I'll put it down below, you will get 75 points just for starting the app. So, which I think is pretty cool. So, you get money when you refer, you get money when you do surveys, and I think it's 22 points per survey. They have a lot of different options on the surveys. And then you can watch videos. It's 3 videos per 1 point, and they're just like short ads. They're not, I think they're like 10-15 seconds a piece, and that's it. So and then you get your 10 points a day just for having it on your screen and doing the screen lock, which is cool. Another way that I earn passive income through my phone, through this app, is called Panel App. Okay, so Panel App is 1,000 points per dollar. Now, I've had Panel App on my phone for a little over a month, and I've already got over 1,200 points, and I have not done anything. I've not done the surveys. I have not done referrals. I haven't done anything. And you earn your points through surveys, referrals, and just having it on your phone. There's no unlocking, there's no anything on it. And they pay through Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Visa gift cards. You can also enter sweepstakes if you want to try to win stuff, but you can get guaranteed gift cards. What I'm going to show you is Cash Magnet. Cash Magnet, you have to do a little bit more. You can't just download it and earn points. You have to actually go into it, and you have to hit that start earning button. And what it does is it just like, I usually do this at night because you can't have any other apps running. It just keeps running over your app, so you can't do anything. So I just hit it before bed, put my screen face down, and let it run because it runs apps on your phone and articles and different things. Here I'll go. And it'll do that, and you have a certain, I think it's like 6.5 hours or something that you can do this. And then you earn points, which is really cool. Now, they also are 1,000 points per dollar. So I'm at 932 points, and I've only done it for like 5 days. Now, other ways you can redeem, you can install apps on here. These ones are for 20 points. So you install the app, follow the directions that they have. I haven't done any of that. I just hit that start earning button, and like I said, I've only done it a few times, but I've earned already 932 points, and so that's not bad. And then you can invite your friends as well. So and then it'll go through, like, the more points you earn, you like level up, and the more that you turn the app on and use it. Like I said, do it at night unless you're like in the shower or you're at work. You can even turn it on while you're at work and just like put it in your desk drawer and let it run the apps, and then you'll be making extra money. So go ahead and download these 3 apps that you can make money from. So don't forget, it's S'mores, and I'll link them all below. S'more, Cash Magnet, and Panel app, and you can be making passive income on your phone without hardly doing a thing. Again, I want to ask that you like this video and you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more ways that you can work online. Bye!